Side Rip.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna restyle this Korean Hornbeam. The tree lost some branches during the process of import, so we have to change the front and restyle completely the ramification. So we're gonna wire everything with aluminum wire, shape the branches that were died, and reshape completely all the foliage. Let's do it. It's important to correct the ramification and remove eventually some thick part and give conicity to the branches. Now, starting from the primary branches, the guys wire everything from the inside to the outside, starting from the secondary ramification to the final one. So at the end, we could change the position of the branches, giving a much more natural look to the final pad. The pad of the deciduous tree is not like the pad of a conifer, where every branch is on the same line, create a very geometrical pattern. On a deciduous tree, the pad is more natural, almost looking like a cloud. Creating a pad on a deciduous tree is slightly different from creating a pad on a conifer. Starting from the outside line, we try to give a slightly wavy movement on the outside, not geometrical, and we start using the inner branches to create the cloud. The branches move sideways and also upside down. This is the natural way how branches grows and support the weight of the foliage. So doing that, we create a more natural pad, and then using the technique of clip and grow, we fill the spaces with the maturity of the finer branches. So creating finer and finer ramification using clip and grow and using defoliation during the season, we can speed up the process of maturing the pads. So now that my pads is done and the structure is set, next season I will just control the strength of the different buds and I will prune and defoliate to get more and more finer ramification. Here we are at the end of the work. All the ramification is nice and open. We prune a lot the top because we had too many strong lines, so we had to shut down the strength from the top to give a little bit more strength on the bottom branches, especially in this area where the tree lost some branches during the import, and now these lines has to grow and rethick it up to create more ramification. Next season we have to keep the tree control, let just grow these two branches, and then for the rest create more and more finer ramification, and checking time by time the wire to not have any bad mark on the branches. So. And here we are in late spring with the tree repotted in this beautiful Ryoshimura Sinuo pot from Tokoname. Beautiful mixing color that really, for me, match perfectly with the white color of the bark, and in autumn will be fantastic, the contrast with the orange color of the tree, of the leaves. I just prune a little bit some of the stronger parts, especially in the apex, and I let him grow some of the lower branch to create some thickness. So we are basically 6 months after the styling, the restyling with the change of the front, and we are about 2 months after the repotting. The tree is in perfect condition and will keep growing this season, keep maturing, and I think is in a good way to become a beautiful bonsai one day. Thank you for following me.